Go.
My first component is projectile motion, which is done through having a PVC pipe connector be launched from the impact of an Xbox game. This is projectile motion because when it's launched, it has both horizontal and vertical velocity as it travels down and hits the next part to start the next part of the machine. My second component is elastic potential energy to kinetic energy, as elastic potential energy is stored in the mousetrap spring, which then moves the wooden stick to move the string to cause rotation in the rear axles to give the car kinetic energy, which is the transfer from elastic potential to kinetic energy, which then hits a shoebox to start the next part. My third component is an elastic collision, which is done through a ball and cup collision. When the ball rolls down the ramp, it has kinetic energy, which is then transferred into a cup and ball system. This cup and ball system has the same kinetic energy the ball had as it was rolling down the ramp. This then causes the cup to pull on a string to pull up on a flap to start the next part of the machine. My fourth component is rotational motion, which is done through an electrical piece of tape rolling down a ramp, which is triggered through a flap, which has been started by the previous part of the machine. This is rotational motion as it is rotating with rotational velocity down the ramp. My last component is simple harmonic motion, which is done when a Wii remote is dropped by a wooden piece, and it begins to oscillate like a pendulum through a charger cable swinging it with a displacement of 3 feet. It's simple harmonic motion because it swings back and forth and has a period and a frequency.